I added some trees onto the mountainside, took polyfill and stuffed it in areas that I wanted filled or to cover up any wires. I have a lot more to do when it comes to the mountainside. I need to make my mountain facade to cover the front of the platform, and then I need to address this issue here. I've got a couple ideas on that though. Look at my cute little bunnies that I added as well. So let's back up and go around to the other side and I'll show you what I have going on over there. So found my extra LED bulbs so I can replace any of the old bulbs if I need to. Grabbed out a couple more of my totes so I can go through all that. Found a couple buildings that go in the city. I think those were in the tote that was underneath the extra table. So the extra table, I think right now I've got extra trees under that, but I think I'm gonna have to use that extra table at the end of the farm section. I'm not gonna put it up there right now. I'm gonna continue using it like I need it right now. So the farm will probably end up being the last part that I end up finishing. So then over here, I added Nick's tree farm at the end, little fox guys, snowmobiler, and then that house, more trees. I did put lights on so both Nick's tree farm and the house are lit up, making all 12 of the houses on the mountainside so they light up. I put the gazebo here. I'm not sure if I really like this gazebo here or not. I like the piece. It's just one of those pieces that I keep having a hard time finding where I actually want it in the village. And I don't think I've really ever had it somewhere where I absolutely loved how it looked. So maybe this year will be the year that I figure that out. Added Linden Hills Country Club on the bottom here. I have some adjusting to do. It doesn't have light in it or anything yet. Obviously it's hanging over the edge, and I gotta fix that right now that I see that. Okay, so I have that. Oh, the train. I had to go and buy more of the straight train track. So I added, I think it was, oh yeah, it was on the longer stretch here. So I added one more piece to both sides. Well, actually, I think it was two more pieces to both sides. So once we build our little bridges, we should be able to do a test run with the train track, or the train on the train track. I'm not sure when we're gonna get to those.